inspired by flowers. I have some rose essential oil and lavender essential oil. So I thought why not mix the two up. For rose effect, I am going to use this French pink clay to give the color, and for lavender, this is Brazilian purple clay which I recently got, and it gives a very beautiful color. This is a mixture of rose essential oil and lavender essential oil mixed with kaolin clay. And if possible, I'll give a leaf effect with French green clay. Now let's see, I'm not sure how we are going to go about it, but still. Then I have this TD. I love the effect of TD. Last time was the first time I used it, and it is excellent. Then I have these embeds made. These embeds, if you can see, these are floral embeds, rose embeds. They look really beautiful. These I have made with cold process method. Someday I will show you how to make these. Usually people use melt and pour, but I thought if I am making a cold process soap, why not try out cold process embeds. Okay, so this is my oil mixture. I have used coconut oil, palm oil, olive oil, castor oil and one butter. In this I have used Kokum butter again because I had master batched everything. My lye water is ready, and it is cooled at room temperature. In fact, the previous night I had mixed my lye and water and kept it, so that by this time it is really cold at room temperature. So I'll be mixing my lye water with my oils. which we made yesterday. See, absolute lovely. And I love the effect which the clay has given. Now since I have put an embed and I am not sure when where will I cut this, so I am not using my multi-bar cutter. I am using my single bar cutter for this. This is an all wood single bar cutter made by my company. And let's see, I'll get little less soap from this. Hello. अभी अभी मत कुछ बोलो. And here's the cut. Absolutely love this.